Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm not going to be talking too much. I'm just going to carry you guys along as I prepare simple and delicious lunch for us. Alright, and if you find the video helpful, please don't forget to smash the like button on the video. Alright, let's dive into the video. This is the reason why I'm talking in this video. This water that I hold in my hand, I got it from the pepper. When I blend the pepper, I just strain out the water out of the pepper. If you want to see how you can strain your pepper, link in the description box below. Click that video, go and watch it, and then you can see how you can strain your pepper. I just use some of that water to steam the beef. You can use normal water to steam your beef, alright? That is the main importance I want to explain in this video. And I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please don't forget to smash the like button on the video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.